Yes.
Please start.
Give me a second.
Respected dignitaries present in the webinar, President of today's program and Principal of our college, Dr. R.P. Ingole sir, resource person and guest, Mr. Shakir Kantawala, co-founder and managing partner of Wings Way Global Training Academy Private Limited, Dubai. Coordinator of our department, Dr. S.B. Kishore sir, Director of Wings Way, Shubhangi Deshpande Madam, who is also an alumni of our college, all my dear colleagues, faculties and students from different colleges, a very warm good afternoon to one and all. I, Assistant Professor Sheetal Vora, on behalf of organizing committee, would like to welcome you all. It's through curiosity and looking at opportunities in new ways that we have always mapped our path. This quote very well relates to our today's webinar, Future Career and the New Decades in Aviations. When we hear a word aviation, the only job opportunity that come to our mind is about pilot. But there are many jobs provided by aviation industry like airline administrative support, operation agent, avionic technicians, and many more. Post-COVID pandemic, it is a need of an hour to know more about new job opportunities available in the market. To know more about today's program, I would like to invite Dr. S.B. Kishore sir for introductory remarks. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Sheetal madam. The president of today's program, or the resource person of the program, Kantawala, the co-founder and managing partner of Wingsway Global Training Academy, Dubai, the director Shubhangi Deshpande, who is fortunately our student, all the respected members who have joined this particular webinar. So dear students, during one of the conversation with the Shubhangi Deshpande, I come to know that she is become a director of this particular Wingsway Global Training Academy, and by considering the place of our, which is a very much remote, and there is hardly any knowledge about the aviation or aviation sector. Hello. So hardly there is any knowledge of aviation sector in this particular remote area. So I requested the Shubhangi, is it possible to have one webinar for the benefits of our student? And she has agreed, and she has conveyed that our co-founder, Dr. Shakir Kantawala, will definitely throw ample light on this particular topic. So once again, I am thankful to Shubhangi Deshpande as well as Shakir Kantawala sir for joining with us in order to conduct this particular program in our college, and as well as I am thankful to Dr. R.P. Ingole sir for giving us permission to conduct this particular program for the benefits of the student, who is always due and he is always with the student. So with that, over to Sheetal madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Until you spread your wings, you will have no idea how far you can fly. Wingsway is a leading innovative vocational training skill provider in aviation, airlines, purchasing, procurement, logistics, supply chain, project management, and more. Our principals, sir, always support us to conduct new and innovative programs for the betterment of the students. Now, I would like to call Dr. R.P. Ingole, sir, for his presidential address. Over to you, sir.
Good morning to all. The guest of the today's function, Mr. Shakir Kantawala, coordinator of the department, Dr. S.B. Kishore sir, our alumni, Mr. Shubhangi Deshpande, at the Mahavidyalaya. The Wingsway has organized this kind of activities for our college. It is graceful for us. The today's topic is future career and the new decade in aviation sector. In last night, I am coming from Guwahati. I have seen the so many employees are working in airlines. There is not only the particularly the staff in the air, but in addition to that, there is requirement on a airport. Then the required offline staff is also required. Booking staff is required. All kinds of requirement is there. And I have seen that in Orissa there are so many new airports are started, but at present because of COVID it is not started. Actually, that means there will be a huge opportunity in this particular sector for the students. Airports will be started. Airlines all over India as well as in the world will be started after COVID. And in that condition, the requirement of the students or requirement of the employees
I think the sound is lost, Sheetal ma'am.
Yes, yes, I think, sir, the network has been lost. So we will continue with our program. Before knowing about today's resource person, I would like to congratulate Wingsway for receiving privileged and honored award of 10 Most Promising Aviation Training Institute 2020 by Silicon India. Congratulations. It is indeed an honor to introduce our today's guest speaker. Our guest speaker is a co-founder and managing partner of Wingsway Global Training Academy and Wingsway Training Institute, Dubai. He is accomplished leader and has gained 30 years of travel and aviation industry experience across India, Middle East, and Africa, having worked with travel agencies and airlines. He has extensively startup experience, having launched multiple routes across 10 cities in all Gulf countries with global network contributions. Instrumental in the airline growth from 0 to 100 daily flights both way between Gulf and India, with some of its most profitable routes. He is happy to share and utilize his experience to enhance and develop training courses for new learners and existing industry professionals. So, without any further ado, I would like to welcome our today's guest speaker, Mr. Shakir Kantawala, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much. Sheetal ma'am, Chitra ma'am, thank you so much for your very, very kind words during the introduction. I would like to thank all of you. I would like to sincerely thank Principal Dr. R.P. Ingole sir, of course, Head of Computer Sciences Department, Dr. H.P. Kishore sir, for putting this together, and thank you for inviting Wingsway and ourselves so thoughtfully and coordinating this entire webinar session on future careers and the new decade in the aviation sector. I mean, most importantly, thank you to all the young, bright, and smart students from all the different sections and departments of Sardar Patel Mahavidyalaya. So thank you everybody for that. So let's quickly get into the reason why we are here today. I always start by thanking all our students for joining us. But actually, in reality, all of you students must thank yourselves for joining us and investing your time, your precious time, to attend this webinar on future careers and the new decade in aviation. This is good for you because this is all about your future. ये आप सबके future के बारे में है. It's about everybody. So please allow me to quickly introduce my team and myself before we start. My name is Shakir, and I represent Wingsway Global Training Academy as their co-founder and managing partner. Today I am joined by my team. मेरे साथ है राजा गोपाल गणेशन सर, जो हमारे co-founder और head trainer है. Shubhangi Deshpande, who Principal Sir already introduced herself. She is an alumni of this very prestigious institution. We also have Mr. Naveen Kumar, who is our Education Director and Advisor. He's also joined us. We also have some of our team members. So thank you all of you for joining us from the Wingsway team and from the SP College side. And thank you for also mentioning that Wingsway Global Training Academy very recently has been awarded as one of India's most promising top 10 aviation training institutes. So thank you for mentioning that also. I mean, we as Wingsway, we provide short-term and very skill-based trainings in travel and tourism, aviation, airlines, airports. We also have logistics, supply chain, procurement, project management, and much more. But as earlier in the introduction, very correctly it was mentioned that aviation is not only about piloting the aircraft or flying in the air. And as Principal Sir also said, that there's so many various stages and steps before the aircraft can fly in the sky. There's a whole series of operations that goes on behind the scenes where there's so much opportunity. We will discuss all that, of course, as we move forward. So at Global Training Academy Wingsway, we teach you the skills that will help you confidently perform better and get career growth faster. Our vision and mission is that we create skill and well-informed professionals who will accomplish global corporate requirements. We are committed to produce a reliable and professional workforce. So with that, we'll move ahead. I cannot see you all. I cannot hear you all. And मैं आप सबको नहीं देख सकता. आप मुझे देख सकते हो. Well, you can hear me. And you can see me. Hopefully, you can hear me very well. We have students from all the faculties of the college. Many have joined us through Zoom. Some are on the panelists who you can see. Many who you cannot see on the Zoom platform. And many have joined through the YouTube channel. This is how it works. So welcome to our friends who are on the panel with us, students and the faculty of the college. Welcome to the participants on Zoom who we can't see, who have joined us through Zoom platform. And also welcome to all our friends, well-wishers, students who have joined us on the YouTube channel. So as we can't interact, this is a webinar concept, but we can interact through the question and answer session. You have the Q&A button at the bottom of the screen. In some cases, it may be on the top of your screen. So please freely use the Q&A button or raise your hand for any questions you may have, any comments you may want to pass, any notes you may want to share with us. Please use the Q&A button very freely. And also, please keep sending us questions. Use the Q&A button effectively. It is yours to use. Send us as many questions as you want to send us, and we will answer them. We'll be very happy to answer them at the end of the seminar. And we will reply back to as many as we can. Otherwise, if we can't during this time, we will reply back through email or through phone. But we will revert back to you. And we look forward to all your questions. So please use the Q&A button freely. For our YouTube participants, you cannot use the Q&A button, but you can send us an email, you can call us, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. So welcome to your webinar. This is your webinar on future careers and a new decade in aviation, airlines, travel, and airports. So, most of you are young students on your way to graduation. Very soon, you will be graduates and postgraduates in your chosen line of studies. Some of you have taken chemistry, किसी ने कंप्यूटर साइंस लिया है, किसी ने इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी चूज किया है, किसी ने मास कम्युनिकेशन लिया है. Some have taken cultural activities, engineering, science, commerce, arts. So many of you have taken so many subjects. So let's make it a little more interesting. Let's do a quick poll. We'll do a quick question poll and see the mix of the students who are participating. Unfortunately, our YouTube participants cannot participate. It's only our Zoom students who can participate. Please start putting in your answers. Let's see. I think most of the participants are on YouTube.
Yeah, they
So
are in panelists.
the panelists, so participant won't happen here. But at least, okay, I'm sure there's a good mix, but the poll won't work in this case because of the YouTube bigger participation. No problem, no problem. But we know the mix, sir. We know. Well, we just got a very small result in this case. So let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Well, so now after you have graduated and finished college, in your line of expertise, in whichever line you have chosen, you will now be wondering where to utilize your knowledge and skills. Where do your passions lie? What are you interested in doing? Most importantly, which industry do you want to work and utilize the skills that you have learned? One thing is learning, and the second thing is using your skills. In which industry will you use those skills that you have gained? You have so many industries and options today to choose from. I mean, surveys show that there are around 40% young learners who are not sure about which career to choose and also which is the best industry to join. Many students become successful in a career which they have not studied for. Many students graduate in one subject and become very successful in a career in a totally different subject. I mean, you could be an IT specialist or a computer specialist or a mass communications expert, but you must very carefully choose the right industry you want to work in. Like, which industry would you like to work in out of the choices you can see over here? You are being pulled apart in the directions of agriculture, aviation and airlines, chemicals industries, construction, education, food, forestry, health, hotels and hospitality, logistics, mining, media, supply chains, telecommunication. The list is endless. You can utilize your skills in so many industries. The question is, in which industry would you like to get a job? Or in which industry would you like to work and build your career and use your education and skills? Which industry would you like to start your career in? That is something we will discuss today. We have another poll over here, but we won't do the poll because, of course, the YouTube participants can't really participate. So we'll avoid the poll right now. So let's move ahead. Well, is this picture familiar? Are you going through this phase? Well, do you have the right skills for the industry you want to join? Do you have the latest skills for the job you want? Do you have the right qualifications to start your career in and the right job and your dream career? I mean, I have gone through this situation. Many of my friends have also gone through this situation. Many of you will also go through this situation when you are deciding your career and your choice. Well, we have a poll, but we won't do it. I would like to check your interests and your career options, but we'll do that some other time. So no problem with that, not to worry. So why are we here? What will I learn from today's webinar? Well, we will not benchmark the future, based on the current situation, but if you see where we go, you will learn today about the global strength of aviation and travel. Of course, we'll discuss everything pre-COVID and pre-pandemic. The pandemic phase is something that is a disruption completely. We will not judge the future because of this current phase. So we will discuss the global strength of aviation and travel before the COVID pandemic took us all by surprise. We will talk about the Indian aviation update pre-pandemic. We will discuss India's focus and future investments in the aviation and travel industry. The Indian government, our Indian leadership has got tremendous focus on aviation, travel, tourism, and the future of this industry. We will discuss the growth of India's aviation, how the infrastructure is being developed in India for future job opportunities, for future career opportunities in this area. And we'll do an overall outlook of the positive future of aviation in totality. We will have a look at the importance of airlines, travel, aviation before the pandemic and how it will grow post the pandemic, keeping in mind all the focus from the global governments and our own governments. So that's very important. Great. So this is what you will learn. Now, what will you gain from this webinar? What is the reason and purpose of our discussion today? आज हम यहाँ सब किस बारे में बात करेंगे? What is the main takeaway from here? Well, let's look at that. You will learn more about which industry you can build your career in. Are you keen or are you interested in aviation, travel and tourism, airports, airlines? After this presentation, after the webinar, it will give you some food for thought as to which way you can go. What career options do you have in the industry? How can you learn and gain the right skills to get certified and to quickly start working and get the right employment, or be an entrepreneur and start your own business? There's so many options today. You will also discuss which are the short skill-based courses for quick employability and quickly to start your career. So the main purpose of today's webinar is to discuss what is a possible career option for you and what work will make you happy. हम खास इस बात पर फोकस करेंगे कि आपके लिए सही क्या है, मतलब आपके करियर और आपके लिए सही जॉब कौन सा है. What is the most important thing that you will gain and learn from today's webinar are all these things. So let's move ahead. Along with my team, I am here with you today, and the team is there to help you with a decision and to help you make some choices. I will simply give you some food for thought. You can just think about it, and then you can make a very informative decision based on your passions and your interests. Our co-founder, Rajagopal Ganesan, he's also a head trainer. He's an aviation trainer, and he's a subject expert. Even he can guide you. Naveen is there, who is also our advisor in aviation. He can guide you. Shubhangi ma'am is also an expert. Even she is there with us today. So that's what it's all about. Now, of course, before we start, there is something interesting. Let's discuss what you can win today. By participating today, you can win 2 complimentary courses worth rupees 50,000 each. These are very interesting courses. It's related to airport operations. The airport course is a very interesting course. Even if you do not take up a career working at the airport, this particular course will help you understand how the airport works, how the arrivals and departures of the airline process works. You check in, go to immigration, customs, boarding the flight. There's so many interesting activities that go on around the airport. So you can learn about all these things just out as a hobby or out of your interest. So it's an interesting course for you. Out of these 2 main courses, one winner will be chosen by principal sir and the faculty from amongst the school toppers in any area. One student will be chosen by a question and answer session at the end of this webinar. We will send you a link with a form to fill. Based on your answers, one lucky winner will win this course free. And one winner will be chosen by the faculty and principal sir from amongst the toppers in the school from any area you choose from. And that's not just that. You also have 10 complimentary courses worth rupees 10,000 each on how to succeed at interviews. It's a half a day course which we'll run you through, which will help you in the future. For this, you have to only fill in the questionnaire at the end of the session, which we will send to you, and you could be a lucky winner. It's as easy as that. So we move ahead now. So let's take off with careers in aviation, airlines, travel and airports, and see if this interests you. We will analyze if you like aviation, airlines, airports, travel and tourism, and is that a good choice for your career? You could be doing finance, accounts, information technology, computers, IT. You could still use your expertise in the aviation and airline industry. So this is about choosing an industry, not about choosing what stream you want to learn. We'll just give you options to think about. We can help you develop your interests and passion in travel, tourism, and you can work with people from all around the world. You can work anywhere in the world because aviation, travel, tourism is truly global. It takes you around the world. So, yes, I know what you are thinking right now. You are all thinking about the current problems with the aviation and travel industry. India and the world are facing challenging times right now. The travel is almost come to a standstill across the world. But that is mainly due to travel and flight restrictions between countries. It is because of the fall in demand due to health concerns. It is because of the people not traveling because of quarantine regulations. This will all end soon. People are not traveling not because they don't want to travel. They want to travel. People want to travel. People want to go on holidays. People want to go on business travel. But they cannot travel because of various other restrictions and conditions. So this will all end very soon. And the world is getting ready to be back to normal. The aviation and travel industry have earlier experienced various problems. You have had the World Trade Center attacks in the US. We have had SARS, Ebola, global financial crisis was there in 2008 and earlier in 1997. During all these crises, the aviation industry did suffer, but recovered very fast. The airline travel industry has recovered and grown faster at a much larger and a faster rate than before the problem. So after the pandemic, the aviation industry will grow. It will surely grow and at a much faster rate than we saw earlier. So yes, I did have a poll on this to check how many of you think that it will end by mid-May, by middle of this month, by May or June of 2021. But you can answer that questions in your minds right now, and we will see what's best to do. Great, so let's move ahead. We'll quickly discuss some fun facts about global aviation and see how aviation was working globally before the pandemic and before the COVID came up. These numbers will show you the size of the aviation industry. These numbers and facts will indicate the potential and the demand for aviation, airlines, and the travel industry. So these are all pre-COVID and pre-pandemic numbers, which will be true very soon in the next 1 year or 2 years. We'll leave aside the current situation, which is a passing phase. We will not consider this extraordinary situation right now. So how many passengers fly across the world in 1 hour? You can make your guesses mentally. In 1 hour across the world, how many passengers fly? 5 lakh people. By the time we finish this webinar, 5 lakh people, that's 500,000 people, would have either boarded or got off one aircraft in 1 hour. That's the size of the industry we are talking about. Total passengers traveling by air in 1 year, 470 crores is the kind of people who travel every year. That's 4.7 billion people, billion with a B. 470 crore people travel by air every year. The revenue generated by aviation in 1 year, 87,000 crores. That's huge. That 870 billion, almost 1 trillion US dollars. That's 87,000 crores of rupees. Huge amounts. How many city pairs are connected by flights across the world? You go from Mumbai to Delhi, that's one city pair. Principal sir came from Guwahati to Pune. It is one city pair. So similarly, from how many city pairs are there across the world which are connected by flights? 23,000. So these are all huge numbers, very big numbers. So tourism and hospitality are the engines of the world economy. Very, very important. In 2019, just one year ago, the industry grew by 3.5%. It contributed huge amounts, as we saw. Forecasts show that there will be around 100 million more jobs created across the world in the next 10 years. So there's so much happening in this industry, all across aviation. Some more facts. The global tourist expenditure, 97,000 crores. How many commercial aircraft are flying in the world? 32,000 aircraft are flying in the world. Jobs supported only by aviation. 6.5 crore jobs are supported by aviation globally. That's around 65 million jobs are supported by aviation. And if you include travel, tourism, hospitality, all that, it's around 130 million. That's huge, double of this. It supports so many jobs. So there's so much potential in this industry. How many flights are operated annually? In a year, how many flights are operated? 6.9 crore flights are operated. That's 190,000 flights daily. 190,000 flights every day are operated across the world. So that's the size of the industry we are looking at. That is so important. So let's move ahead. Now we come to the India story, which is very important. The India aviation market. What it was like before the pandemic came. India is at number 3. The world's third biggest aviation market is India. So it's a huge market, and third only after USA and China. How many commercial aircraft are there in India? Registered commercial aircraft in India. 620, more than 620 in fact. Every day we have our good airlines in India adding aircraft. So at last count it was 620. As we move ahead, it will keep adding on. How many operational airports are there in India? 125. That's a huge amount of airports which are operational. In fact, there are more than 400 airstrips and airports in India which can be utilized and which the government is now slowly utilizing. But there are 125 operational airports in India. So imagine the opportunities for working and for running companies that are involved with operations at the airport. How many Indians took a flight in that 1 year, 2019? 30 crores. 30 crore people traveled in that 1 year. And out of that, 6 crores were international travel. So most of it was domestic travel, but this is a huge component even for international travel. That's around 60 million people. 300 million people flew within India total, and 60 million international passengers. So these are huge numbers, huge numbers. So let's move ahead with the India story. We saw the airports, we saw all this, and we were discussing the government's support also on this. There is something called the operational airports in India. There are 200. I said currently 125. The airports will become 200. 75 more airports in the next 2 or 3 years. Commercial aircraft in India by 2027 will be 1,100. We just saw some number earlier, and now it will become 1,100 by 2027. The investment in the Indian aviation sector in the next 4 years has been allocated at 36,000 crore rupees, which is huge, which is very, very large. And it's very, very interesting. The government investment in the airport infrastructure is 13,000 crores. Again, a huge commitment, a huge investment, which will of course generate opportunities for employment and working over there. Hello, I think there's, we can mute the other speakers. That'll be easier. Great. Money spent by Indian travelers. Indians spend 98,000 crores every year on traveling, on international travel, on domestic travel. These are huge numbers. Passengers projected by 2035, 52 crores. So just the 30 crore, 52 crores, almost double in the next 15 years. By the time all of you are ready for your careers. So total airstrips, there'll be 464. Currently, as we discussed earlier, there were only 125. And of course, all this will create around 90 lakh jobs, new jobs. In addition to all the current jobs, there will be 90 lakh new jobs created only in the aviation industry. And it'll be double of this amount if you consider aviation, travel, airport, tourism, everything. These are huge numbers. So we see that tourism plays an extremely significant role in the Indian economy and the world economy. So with a population of around 1.3 billion people, almost 1.4 billion people, and there's a noticeable unemployment rate, the aviation, airline, airports, and travel tourism industries will provide livelihood and jobs to so many more people with all these investments and all these futuristic investments. Most importantly, the government of India has introduced the UDAN scheme. UDAN actually is Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik. It's for everybody to fly. And it was in 2016, I think in July 2016, when the government introduced this whole concept of opening up small cities, small airports, smaller aircraft, so more people can fly. When more people fly, the economy is flourishing, the economy does better, employment is created, infrastructure is created. So there was an update just 4 days ago, 3 to 4 days ago on this from the government side. They have added 100 more unserved and underserved airports. Like these airstrips are there, not being used. The government is investing money to make these airstrips operational by making airlines fly to these airports. 100 more such airports have been added. 1,000 new air routes have been included. And this is just as of 8th of February. A budget of 4,500 crores has been allocated to grow this sector where more people can fly. All this will create economic development, job growth, and infrastructure. This is what it's all about ultimately. So we've seen all that, and we've learned everything. And of course, most importantly now, the industry supports, as we saw, almost 3 trillion economic activity worth of dollars globally. This is 3.6% of global GDP. So it's a huge investment. All this will create more travel, more aircraft, more business, more jobs. The world is now cleaning itself with post the pandemic. All the positive changes will make people travel more, and they will want to rediscover the world. More people will want to explore new destinations. I mean, people will travel. People will travel to complete all the unfinished business. What was supposed to have happened last year in 2020 may now happen in 2021 and 2022. Little delayed, but the future is there. Nothing can go wrong. So why am I telling you all these numbers and all this information? I mean, it's mainly to simply tell you that there's a bright career ahead of you in aviation, airports, airlines, travel and tourism. Many can be a part of this prosperity and growth by starting today. You make the right choice. You train yourselves properly. You gain the right skills and you develop your skills in the right direction. The right skills and the right training will make everyone more employable. So you can say hello to a better future. Working in the aviation industry, I mean, it's your ticket to discover the world. You can become a global citizen because you can travel across the world, you can work across the world, you can have friends from across the world. It's a global industry. And as we discussed earlier, globally and worldwide, the industry employs 330 million people. It's a huge amount of employment opportunities waiting over there. So let's look at that huge option. Us as Wingsway, after seeing all this potential in the industry, aviation, airlines, airports, travel and tourism, I will quickly brief you on how you can plan and get what you want. I mean, most important is to invest in yourself. You have to invest in yourself. You have to get properly certified. And then you can, of course, stay ahead. And we at Global Training Academy, Wingsway, of course, will help you do that. So Wingsway is the place where you can learn your training skills and your education. We will help you say hello to a better future now and add wings to your career. You can visit our website. It's www.wingsway.org. I repeat, it's wingsway.org. Of course, we will be putting all this information on the chat box and the Q&A, but our YouTube friends who are joining us through YouTube channels and the other social media channels where we are broadcasting live will not be able to see these inputs scrolling. So sorry about that, but our website is www.wingsway.org. You can get all the information there also. And my team also is here with us. Please ask your questions while we go ahead. and we talk more about what we can do. So, most importantly, we come to an association called IATA, IATA. IATA is the International Air Transport Association. It is based in Montreal in Canada. IATA, International Air Transport Association, their mission is to represent and lead and serve the airline and aviation industry. It promotes industry standards worldwide and it builds career opportunities. All the training courses of IATA are designed by aviation experts to train students with the right skills, which they can immediately apply and use in the workplace. And Wingsway Training Institute and Wingsway Global Training Academy, we are an authorized training center for the International Air Transport Association. So we are not just a Wingsway Global Training Academy, which is just a training institute. We are an authorized training center appointed by IATA, by International Air Transport Association, to conduct trainings in aviation, airlines, travel, tourism, airports. That is the most important part. And of course, as mentioned earlier, Wingsway Global Training Academy in India has been awarded as one of the most promising top 10 aviation training institutes in India. So thank you for that. Well, so as we discussed, the International Air Transport Association, who we represent as their training center in India and across some other countries also, is the leading body for all airlines globally and has been conducting training since 1973. IATA certificates and diplomas are globally recognized. They are internationally accepted by all airlines, by all airports, travel agents, aviation companies. So if you are certified by IATA through their training institutes like Wingsway, your certificate is accepted globally, recognized internationally. That's very important. So when you train at IATA centers like Wingsway, you're learning from an IATA authorized center. We have expert trainers, highly experienced coaches and mentors. We have Mr. Rajagopalan Ganesan, we have Naveen Kumar, and we have a whole host of trainers who are IATA certified trainers who have also worked with the International Air Transport Association and who have conducted exams for them. So in addition to other roles in the airline industry and training industry, they are now part of the Wingsway team, which will help impart the right skills for our students. So these are all, of course, statistics. I mean, there are almost 1 lakh students who do courses through IATA every year and get the certificates and then get jobs in airlines, airports, in the travel industry. We'll just run through the courses one by one. Which courses could interest you? So we have airline cabin crew, of course, for males and females. We have foundation in travel and tourism, where you can learn about the travel and tourism industry. We have airport operations, ground service agents, where you have the team who helps you on the ground at the airport through the entire process. We have airport ramp services. We will come to in detail. We'll spend another 10 minutes on this on these courses quickly. We have airline finance, cargo and freight, airline marketing. We have airline revenue management. We have travel agency courses. You have so many options. So yes, we train for the International Air Transport Association. There are certificate courses and diploma courses which you can do and which give you the right skills to work at the right airports. My team will keep adding links of the courses as we move forward in the chat box, and you can then visit these links. You can download our brochures, you can see our flyers. These are all very interesting. And of course, I will now quickly give some details on these short-term courses, and I'm sure they'll be of interest to you. So one is the airline cabin crew training. I mean, working as cabin crew, for any major airline is very exciting as an experience. In addition to flying to nice places across the world, the job also requires a very high level of responsibility and specialization, to ensure the safety and comfort of the passengers. The cabin crew also take care of all the industry regulations and take care of the passengers. The course is ideal for young undergraduates, graduates who want to start a career in this profession. And a cabin crew is, of course, a very, very interesting and exciting role, no doubt about that. Then you have something called Foundation in Travel and Tourism. Here you learn the knowledge and skills to work in the travel and tourism industry. You can become a very good travel professional. You can provide advice on flights, hotels, and tour products. You will improve your customer service and sales skills. You can advise travel regarding travel stuff to customers, when to go, where to go, how to go. You can then create and manage their reservations and bookings. This is what this course will teach you. Then you have airport operation options. The world is moving ahead very fast. Airports must perform with the highest level of efficiency and safety. Understanding the fundamentals of the complex airport operations, this is the first step in achieving on-time performance for all the airlines. The aircraft has to take off on time. It's very important because the aircraft has to go somewhere else, then go somewhere else. The entire day's routing depends on the aircraft taking off on time. So this job, you will be involved in making sure that the aircraft leaves on time, and you are responsible for the flight departing on time. It's a very interesting role. It's fun and very challenging. Then you have passenger ground services. Over here, you will play a very important role in the aviation industry's most visible airport position. When the passengers walk into the airport, they first see the passenger ground service agents, where you help them, guide them with the baggage, you tell them the rules and regulations. It's a very important role. People always say that it is not about the destination. It is always about the journey. And everyone's good travel journey begins at the airport, from check-in to boarding gate to the aircraft. By working at the airport in this role, you can become part of somebody's journey, and you will learn the skills to provide, of course, world-class services. Very important. So we come to airport ramp services. This course teaches you the aircraft servicing and airport ground handling basics that you need to start a career on the ramp side. Now, a ramp is the area around the aircraft. This role is regarding all the work that goes on around the aircraft when it is on the ground at the airport. Ramp handling services ensure the efficient handling of the aircraft so that the flight leaves on time. This course offers an introduction to ramp service as well as ground handling. It helps you set the safety standards and requirements. This course will teach you the skills to work safely around the airport on the ramp side. When you are new to the industry, this course will help give you a solid foundation for further professional development in the field of airport ground operations, in terms of airport operations overall. You also have airport ground operations management. Efficiency is critical in ground operations, where expertise, collaboration go hand in hand. Here you will learn how to control and supervise an airline station and manage the airline's airport office. Like all of the courses, this course also is designed by industry experts from International Air Transport Association, and we train for that. So these are some of the few courses. Of course, again, those of you who have joined us on Zoom will get the links in the chat box and in the Q&A session. And those who have joined us through YouTube and other social media channels can please visit our website and you can get more information on this. So that is all there for you. So my team will add the links, as we just said. You can contact us on info at wingsway.org anytime. You can send us an email on info@wingsway.org or information@wingsway.org, either of these two. We have a phone and WhatsApp. You can contact us on that also. For some of you, your numbers here, you can take a screenshot of the number or you can save it for your use later on. Please feel free to contact us. So most importantly, as I told you earlier, our trainers are aviation experts who have very high ratio of passing rate for our students. We have a success rate of over 95%, and our students who have been trained by us have been country toppers and achieve distinction marks across the world. Most of our students are now employed by leading international airlines and airports across the world. You find our students trained by our qualified expert trainers across the world. Once you are certified and qualified by Wingsway Global Training Academy and by, of course, IATA, you will have job opportunities in airlines, airports, in hospitality, in 4-star, 5-star hotels, travel agencies, also in multinational companies, due to your high levels of service delivery skills that you will learn. So to start and attend most of our training courses, you could be an undergraduate, graduate, or a working professionals. This could be useful for everybody. Your friends, your relatives, your cousins, everybody could use this. It is open for everybody, as long as you could be an undergraduate or a graduate or a working professional. So to start and attend most of our training courses, it's open for everybody. Well, so even if you are just starting your career and you want to go places and go far, then get ready to take off. It's all yours. Wingsway will be your partner for your skills. We are one of India's top 10 academies. You have our contact details. You can call us, you can WhatsApp us, you can email us. Please feel free to get in touch with us anytime. Well, the choice is yours. Choose whichever option you would like. I have planned a couple of polls over here, but we can't do it because I'd like to know from this session if the interest was there into the aviation, travel, tourism industry. But anyway, I will read your minds and understand what you're thinking. So the choice is yours. You could choose airlines, aviation, travel and tourism, airports. You have so many options. So the future is here. It's best to be prepared. You can contact us on. You have our addresses, you have our numbers. We have an office in Hyderabad, which we cover all of India from. We also have an office in UAE, Dubai, where we cover the rest of the world. Our training courses today are all online. We have live instructor-led virtual training courses. So you could be sitting at home, anywhere in the world, in India, in Chandrapur, in Maharashtra. Your friends could be anywhere in India. And our trainers are based all over the world. And we conduct live classrooms, not video classrooms. All our trainings are not self-learning video-based courses. We have live instructors, live teachers who will train you in real-time classrooms during the day. So you can do weekend courses, you can do evening courses. Everything is flexible. We can teach as per your time, as per your convenience. So you can sit from your home and learn. So these are all globally accepted qualified courses run by our instructors live as e-classrooms. That's the best part of it. Great. So as I said earlier, we'll be happy to answer all your questions. Kishore sir and the team, we are open to it. I've seen questions coming in. Lots of questions have come in across the session from our participants who are on Zoom. Again, we can't hear the questions from the social media channels, but they can write to you or us separately and we can answer them. But we are open to questions right now, sir. Please go ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. It was really a nice and informative session. So for Q&A session, I will call Assistant Professor Tejaswini Akulwar ma'am to conduct the Q&A session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Over to you, Tejaswini.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, very clear. Others can confirm also. You can raise your hand and confirm. There's a hand raise icon.
Thank you, sir. Session was very informative and knowledgeable, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good
Pleasure is
afternoon,
all mine.
Good afternoon, all. Myself, Assistant Professor Tejaswini Akulwar, and I'm here for the questionnaire session. So, participants, if you have any doubts or questions, please put it into the YouTube chat box, or you can send me the queries on my personal chat box also. Meanwhile, the session, we have got some questions from the participants in my personal chat box, sir. So I'm starting with my questions. Sir, Mr. Rahul is asking, what is the course schedule?
Sure. The course schedule, we have courses starting every month. And if you can form a batch from your class or with your friends or from your city or from anywhere, if you can form a batch, we can start a batch specially for you. We have qualified trainers across the world and in India who can train. So yes, we have courses starting every month. Plus, we can commence or start a course as per your convenience. Both options are open.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, we have got some questions on our YouTube chat. Can we, Miss Janvi has put in the question, can we complete the course at one stage by attending the classes every day?
Sure, good question, thanks. Naveen, would you like to answer the question?
Yeah. Thank you everyone for the opportunity here. I would like to answer the question here. Yes, there is an opportunity where interested participants can attend the classes on a regular basis, and if we can consider as a fast track sessions. So that will be more helpful for the individual who don't have time, especially those who have completed their graduation and they are in search of the opportunities. They may not want to wait for long, like 4 or 5 months again, they don't want to spend. Then yes, we can consider that option as well. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I hope Ms. Janvi, your doubt is clear now. Sir, one more question is there. Mr. Nishant is asking, how does the online e-classroom work? You are saying that you are providing online classroom. So how will it work?
Well, it's through a Zoom session. All you need is an internet connection, which today everybody has on their phone, on their laptop, on their tablet. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection or an internet connection. And you join the course live, real time, and the course is conducted by our expert trainers. In fact, Mr. Rajagopal Ganeshan, our co-founder and head trainer, also is with us. He will also address some of your questions and guide you on these subjects. But all you need is a Wi-Fi connection. You can sit in the comfort of your home and you can learn a course. There are some courses which we do in a hybrid way, because sometimes, like a cabin crew course, you need to do a physical class, like you need to know swimming. There's some grooming sessions where you have to walk in front of a mirror, like a typical assignment. So there are some very few courses which need attendance in the class physically, which we can also organize. But I would say most of the courses can be done through a live instruction session with our trainers.
Okay, thank you. Sir, Ms. Radhika is asking, what are the payment plans, or are you giving any EMI facilities?
Yes, Radhika ma'am, this is of course a very important question. Thank you for asking. Very important for everybody. Naveen, would you like to take up this question?
Yes. See, it is, yes, at the same time, what Wingsway, the main objective of Wingsway is to reach out to the student for their convenience, not only in terms of the, transferring the knowledge, but it's in terms of affordability as well. So we definitely provide options for the individuals to pay in installments. So that can be discussed in a one-to-one, and depends on the course that they choose and the duration that the course will run. Based on that, we can provide options for them. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for the information. Sir, one more question is there, which is important too. Ms. Ashwini want to know how soon we will get the job after certification. So she is asking about the job.
Sure, very good question. Very important again. Thank you for asking the right questions. Appreciate that. Well, whatever you do in terms of training, learning skills, the final objective is getting a job. No doubt about that. What happens with our training and skills is that you get the certificate, which is an international global certificate. It is issued by the International Air Transport Association based in Canada, but it's a global association representing all the airlines. So when you have the right certification, the right qualification, automatically the job comes to you easier. You can get positions, jobs, opportunities across the world because you are holding an international certificate. So getting a job becomes easier with the right skills and the right education. I hopefully have answered that. But as Wingsway, as a company, we also organize internships, interviews. We help you with the job process. We have our own, agreements with various airports where we can do placements. And once you do internships, then you can get a job after internships. So it's a progressive way it happens. I hope I've answered the question to your satisfaction.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, one more question is there on YouTube. Mr. Koteshwar sir has asked one, what is the duration of each course?
Sure. Thank you for that question. Again, very important. I will request our head trainer and co-founder, Mr. Rajagopalan Ganesan, to take this, because he's the expert with the courses. He's an IATA trainer himself, very experienced, highly knowledgeable, and he conducts most of our courses or supervises most of our courses. Rajagopalan, are you there?
Yes, very much.
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. Thanks for an opportunity. Our courses are goes between 80 to 120 hours. The classroom will be around 40 to 45, and the exam preparation will be separate. Management course goes around 100 hours. Other courses go around 60 to 80 hours. Classrooms will be only 45 hours. We will be having a lot of exam preparation to prepare them for the exam.
Thank you, Raju. So yes, there's a split. Study hours are around, I would say, 70-75%. Then there is self-study hours. Then there is exam preparation hours. We do mock exams, and then the final exams. And of course, we have a almost passing rate of over 96%. So the exam preparation is very, very important because you're getting a global international certificate. Thank you. Please go ahead, ma'am.
Yes, sir. One more question is there on YouTube. Are the course from Mr. Praveen, sir? Are our courses are affiliated to any university?
Any university in what way? I mean, Naveen, would you like to answer that?
Okay, so courses, yes, IATA certifications are offered in some part of the world as part of the education curriculum. But from Wingsway, we are not tied up with any of the universities to offer the courses. But these certifications are very well valid. I would like to just take a minute to add a couple of more points here. See, in the past, if you see, everybody used to get a graduation certificate and go for the jobs. But nowadays, if you look at only MBA as an option, you have so many verticals in MBA to complete your courses. It's not only the sales and marketing and finance and computers and all. You have sports, you have medicine, you have logistics, you have supply chain, you have aviation, you have shipping. So there are so many options. So that means every industry is looking at the specific skill set, not the generic skill set. So these certifications actually help the students to get the specific skill set to perform in a job role. So that is what the Wingsway certificates will be supporting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So one more question is asked by Ms. Janvi. Is the certificate valid in other countries? I think she is talking about the IATA certificate. Can you please elaborate that?
Sure. Good question. Very important again. Thanks for asking. This is a global certificate. It is recognized internationally. The moment you go to any airline, any airport, any travel agency, the moment you say that I am certified by IATA, which is International Air Transport Association, you are recognized immediately. It gives you global recognition across the world, anywhere in the world. You Google IATA and you will know that any airline, any travel agency cannot function if you are not approved or authorized by IATA. It is the governing body for aviation, airlines, and travel across the world. So recognizability is there across the world, opportunities open to you across the world, and you can become a truly global citizen by virtue of being qualified by IATA. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, participants, if you have any more doubts, you can please put your questions in the chat box of YouTube. Sir, one more question is there from Mr. Adil.
Yes,
Whom do we
please.
contact for further information? If we need the information, then where we should contact for the course or for the fees?
Yeah, you can write to us on info. Sorry, just a moment. There. Yeah. The phone and WhatsApp number is on the screen. You have two numbers.
Yes,
You can call us or you can WhatsApp us or you can email us on info, I-N-F-O, info at wingsway.org. Even that's here, info@wingsway.org.
Yeah, Mr. Adil, if you need any further information, you can just go on info.wingsway.org for your further queries and for your further details information. So we have one more question for Moshin, Mr.
Yes, please.
Moshin. Does this course help us in logistic field?
Yes, good question, Mr. Mohsin. Thank you for asking. We as a training institute, Wingsway Global Training Academy, we have multiple verticals. One vertical is aviation, airlines, airports, travel. We also have logistics, supply chain, procurement, purchasing under different awarding bodies. Like here we have IATA, but as Wingsway, we also represent various international bodies from UK, USA, like we have Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport. We have Chartered Institute of Procurement and Supply. These are again, like IATA, these are globally recognized awarding bodies which we train on behalf of them and we give you their certifications, which are again recognized globally. Naveen sir, would you like to elaborate a little bit on the logistics part of it?
Yes, just to add a couple of more points. Yes, the specific certifications are available, but at the same time, within IATA, we have cargo introductory and advanced cargo rating and marketing. So these are the different courses which will support an individual to work in logistics environment in an airport, the cargo area. Yeah, and in addition to that, we also have in IATA the supply chain management. So we intentionally put that into next seminars, which we come up with more information on logistics. So there we can add this. But yes, the question is very well valid. In IATA also we have options if somebody is interested in getting into the logistics area. Thank you.
So since you asked the question, it will give us an opportunity to talk to Dr. S.P. Kishore sir and again discuss more.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah.
Definitely,
Yeah.
sir. We will.
Yeah, we can have something on logistics and supply chain separately as an
Yes, sir.
entire new vertical, as a new option as a career.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, we will.
Please go ahead, ma'am.
Dear participants, Shubhangi ma'am has shared the mail ID where you can go for further information, and the mail ID is info@wingsway.org, or you can mail them also on information@wingsway.org. So you can mail them and ask for further details also on their mail ID. As I'm not having any questions more now on YouTube also, I'm
Okay.
further proceeding.
Thank you, Tejaswini ma'am. Thank you.
Anything else from the panelists, from the faculty? Any questions? We are open to it.
Yes.
Yeah. Over to Sheetal Bora ma'am.
Thank you, Tejaswini ma'am. Sir, I think you have solved all the queries. Even the panelists were having the same questions, I think. So it was really a satisfying Q&A session. For all the wonderful time we have spent in this webinar, which was really very enriching, it is our duty to express our gratitude and say thanks to all those people who have made this possible. Thus, for vote of thanks, I would like to call Assistant Professor
Of Wingsway Global Training Academy Private Limited, Dubai, and Miss Shubhangi Deshpande, Madam, Director of Wingsway Global Training Academy Private Limited, Dubai, for gracing today's webinar. Thank you, sir and madam, for your interesting and knowledgeable address. I am also very much thankful to Wingsway team for giving opportunity to two lucky participants for get freely certified just by filling the questionnaire. I also like to thank our beloved coordinator, Dr. S.B. Kishore sir, for his moral support and guidance. Thank you, sir. I like to thank Assistant Professor Sheetal Bora madam for conducting this webinar. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank Assistant Professor Tejaswini Akulwar Madam for conducting questionnaire session on behalf of participants of today's webinar. I also like to thank Assistant Professor Dayanand Hiremat Sir and Dr. Rajni Singh Madam for cooperating with us throughout the webinar. Last but not the least, I also like to thank Dr. Ajay Kushwaha and Assistant Professor Santosh Sindesh Sir for their technical support. My sincere gratitude goes to all the organizing committee. My deep sense of appreciation and thanks to all the participants who choose to live with us and attend this webinar with great enthusiasm and made this event successful. Thank you all. Once again, I thank you all for being with us this afternoon and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you one and all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for
Thank
all
you,
the very
Vijay.
kind words. Thank you so much. I hope Shubhangi has put the link for
Thank
the
you, sir.
questionnaire. And all our well-wishers, friends, and participants can fill in the questionnaire and be the lucky winners. I trust that is done on the link. So yeah, Principal Dr. R.P. Ingole sir, Dr. S.B. Kishore sir, and the entire faculty, thank you so much from the Wingsway team. Thank you so much, and we look forward to more such participation and more such webinars with the entire student community of the SP Mahavidyalaya. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Really, it was nice
Thank you, sir. Thank
associating
you,
with
Shakil,
you
sir.
all.
Thank you very much.
With the permission of the panelists, I would like to declare that the event has been concluded here. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so
Have a
much.
good day
Thank you.
to all.
Thank you. Good day. Good day to
Thank you
everybody.
all.
Thank you.